Hello everyone and welcome back to the Keep Productive YouTube channel. Today is going to be a first impressions feature because I'm checking out this app called TOPIA and it's a very interesting approach on video chat meetings. So just to breeze dumb the idea down is you are these avatars and you're in this sort of world where you can create like your own office, your own like areas to hang out. It's a bit like sort of like RuneScape, but you're on a video call at the same time, but for work. So I'm going to download it, give it a try, and give you my early opinions on this crazy looking app. So here I am. I actually said download, but actually it is available through the web browser. It's currently saying that I'm on Safari beta. So just note that apparently it works better on Chrome, Edge, and Brave. On your desktop. So I'm just going to introduce myself. I'm in the lobby waiting area and you have to state that you're over 16. I'm going to enter it as a guest, but apparently login's required. Okay, take two. As you can see here, I'm now entering the lobby. So I need to give access to my camera and my microphone. Okay, so here I am and my microphone's been added. I can choose my color as well. Let's go. Okay, where am I? There I am. I don't know whether other people can hear me in this world, but I've actually played around with it before. But what you can do is, oh my God, what's happening? Okay, so I can actually explore public worlds if I want to, other people's sort of tea house. And I think a lot of people are using this for team sort of events as well. And also using it for example, oh, okay, so this person here, am I live with somebody? Oh God. Hello? Shenard. This is weird. So I guess if you walk away from somebody, you sort of get out of their sort of, it doesn't bother them. So you can go ahead and create a word. So in this case, I might create like keep productive land for cool kids. And you can also add an image, or you choose a URL. You can be on, so there's two plans, the free forever plan with up to 25 people. You can add art, music and live streams, embed any videos, moderation, but there is a personalized URL one with unlimited amount of people and upload videos from the web, and confluencer commissions. I'm not sure what that means, but apparently I've created a world. So we're gonna leave this page and join my new world. Okay, so keep productive land. All right, so I'm going to grant the same permissions. Let's go. So here we are. Where am I? There I am. Hello. So you can see here that I can go over and I can modify things like edit the trees. You can move it. You can duplicate it. You can choose what each tree has. This is so much detail just for like you. Some people might be like, I just want to get on a video call. This is total customization crazy. You can choose, okay, so you can choose the conversations that are happening. You can see other worlds. You can discover other worlds. You can use the marketplace to add things like an events calendar. Am I buying something? Okay, I want to buy it. Have I bought it? I don't know. Free scenes. Yes, I want to buy this events calendar. This is so confusing. But essentially, what I'm doing is I'm changing, whoa, okay. Okay, so let's say other people join. I can basically view certain streams and I'm guessing other people would be around me and I can watch stuff with other people. Okay, so I can watch like Twitch and YouTube and other events. So if I'm like at an event, I can start seeing a bit more of the sort of purpose now of it. Let's go over to microphone. I don't think I'm doing anything there. Okay, so here we go. I'm broadcasting it. I was apparently broadcasting them. There's a YouTube live stream. So the idea is that you're like sort of going into different virtual worlds at the same time. Okay, so I don't need to create a new world. I want to be able to create new items. So let's see whether I can do that. Okay, so here we go. So I can choose to have a conference. Wow. Okay, so I've dropped a scene. I've done it over the top, but let's say this is a conference in which I've screwed up already. I've screwed up. Okay, what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm actually just going to find somebody else's island and see how they're using it. I might go back to the welcome lobby again. Portal. Okay, portal to this world. I don't think I can bother anybody. Brilliant. So I'm back, and that Shenard guy is still there. But I can go over to spatial chat. I'm not sure what this does. Okay. Oh, there's a guy working on his laptop over here. I'm guessing he doesn't want to be disturbed. Oh, but he does. Oh my God. Hello. Hello. Hello, all right? What are your opinions on TOPIA so far?
You can meet a lot of people, and you can organize official meetings also.
Okay. Are you using it? Are you going to use it with your team or anyone like that?
So I was just one day I have living from it.
Okay. I'm doing a YouTube review now for this app. Is it all right if you're in the video?
Yes, sure, no problem.
Oh, thanks, man. Sorry.
YouTube channel?
Keep productive.
Okay, sure, I will subscribe.
Okay, cheers, man. Thank you. I might just come here more often. Okay, so that's quite cool. Okay, I get the idea. I think I get the idea now. A bit more. It's more like you go and explore. But imagine if you had a whole company. Sometimes you have to use stuff to be able to like, okay, oh, I'm entering a private area. So you can create like private areas. Oh, fireworks is going off. I was already scared then. You can explore other TOPIA worlds here. You can customize everything. This is, I think, what they were talking about a lot is the customization. You can do quite a lot of, like, for example, be able to change what buildings can do, what private zones can do, what's streaming in certain areas. Click here to create your own TOPIA. I don't want to click there. Okay, Shenard's still working. I haven't been able to talk to him yet, but this is quite cool. So there's a dance floor. Okay, so this is cool. So it brings together the sort of... At this point, this review is so awful. So, I'm telling nobody about how to use this app. I'm going to go run through the things that are on the side here. So I can do a world map. I can go over to other portals. Here we go. So this is what the world map looks like in total. You can see the activities and nearby activities that are on. This one doesn't have any. And I can see other portals. So that's a good example. Somebody's got a portal for Moment Improv. So improv community. It's like an online space. So it could be used for like meeting up in sort of more of a relaxed manner. Let's go and visit another world, see if there's any other people knocking about. Citizens. It looks like most of the communities are actually like sort of empty at the moment, but I think it's because it's so new, this tool. They did one for, did I see something about the Tokyo Olympics? But you could have one for an event that you have coming up, which would be quite cool. I did see somebody else had joined, so maybe I can meet somebody again. Hello? I can do something with my character. I can pretend to dance. I think this guy just left his on. Anyway, I think that's the end of the review. Let's have a look at pricing and things like that, because I don't want to like just completely skip by the actual practicalities of this application. Let's just get the pricing up. Okay, so it looks like you get free for 25 people forever. So if you want to customize a world, sort of add all the regular sort of customized streaming, you can also unlimited people, $9 per month. You can have custom layouts, broadcast video to all guests. So you can have guests there as well, which is quite cool. Upload spatial words to your world, earn commissions, pay monthly or cancel. And if you want a one-time event, you can contact them, which gives them HD, faster bandwidth. But it's more suited for those who are sort of running an event or a conference or have their own digital community and they want to be able to meet people. It's quite a cool little sort of lineup for it. Actually, I came into this going, this is such a dumb idea. And I actually coming out of it going, I quite like it. But only because like I've met one person, one human, but I actually like how it works in terms of the interactivity. If you're looking for a regular Zoom call, this is probably not for a team. This is probably more for conference events and things like that in the remote world and virtual world than it is for like, you know, sticking on a regular sort of thing. But anyway, folks, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you think of TOPIA and check it out below. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. I'll talk to you all very soon. Cheerio.